based on the, we see support here. You see over here these blue lines as buyers hitting the tape trying to pull the market up, and this means trap traders long, so in this support. So that's the way you trade this. If the momentum is not right around the corner, it means the market is not going to take it higher. Like in day trading, nothing is guaranteed because it's a market of many participants, so you never know what the market will do. But at least you can have a hint or a clue, and you can act quickly on your account and not break the account. Okay, so they got up here. You see again over here we got the, let's see, stay in draw mode. It says trap traders over here. Let's see, you see over here it's in the downside, so the market went a little bit up. This is like 40 ticks. See down here, trap traders short, trap trader short again. Over here in the support, this was a big support. These guys were in the right side of the trade, until the late guys. Okay, or maybe this is maybe high frequency traders trapped here, because I have done some little research and have found that high frequency trading firms have gone belly up. So this business is not guaranteed. It's not something like these guys, because they have a lot of money. Don't you think that these guys ain't gonna lose money? They can lose money. So that's the way money works. Okay, so this market is very slow, but as you can see, this software is not that complicated to understand. Okay, we have a high volume trade here. Let's see if they push it enough, because I like the fact of the trap traders. If these guys will hold to this trade, and in some point they gonna sell their lots, so this is like pouring gasoline to a fire. So it pushes the market down. Well, let's see what they can do. This is what you have to do over here in this with this trading. Just understand what the market is doing. You try to have an anchor chart to tell you what the market is trying to do, so you understand better how is the geometry of the market, especially support and resistance, which is one of the, you need to see if market is like this over here, and it's trap traders. If you see this is a retail guys trying to because they have too much confirmation, so the retail trader always trades last until the end of the move. It starts going. That's why they invented the retail trader sells low and and buys high. So that's the way it goes. Too much confirmation, if this MI is up, if MACD is up, if this has divergence, if it has this, too much confirmation. You see, everything is about learning how the market will react to these extreme events. These are extreme events, so there's sharks waiting for the market and the participants to come to an area and just play with them. So that's the way it goes. No, just one trade, just need one trade. Sellers pushing. Okay, we need to see those trap buyers here sell those shares. They need to stop out. Because we still have longs from here, so this guy's bought it here. You see this big blue flash here and a volume expansion here, so the market just went up and up and up and up and up, and I don't see this guy selling here. Maybe they added a second round here and they average from here to here, so their stop should be around here. So remember, if you buy at one price and you buy at another price, they average the price of your entry, so it's not the first actual price. Okay guys, if you like this software, if you can you want to contact me, there's a link in the description, so you can contact me via email. Okay, it includes the time and sales, the support and resistance, and the Bidask multi-market correlation. So it's a very complete package. I don't think that you need something else to tell you what the market is doing. You don't need to see anything else. You don't need to have many charts open. Just focus on what you see in your charts. That's it, support and resistance. You can you need to see trap traders, which is called commitment of traders too. You trap traders to the upside, trap traders to the downside, and see volume. Where is volume going, and where are the market correlations going? So this is how you need to really see the market, what it's doing. Basically, you don't need to see MACDs or something like that. Because the market can be, there is no such thing like overbought and oversold, because the market can trend all day, and or for example, this big extension. So this you cannot compare to a MACD or something like that, or a stochastics or something. Just try to focus on the volume. For example, over here we have a time and sale, which we're looking at correlated instruments, which is the YM mini Dow, the Dow, and the micro ES S&P 500. So we are aggregating at a rate of 5. So we need to see exactly what they're doing. These magenta prints are 90% of the tape red. So this gives you the market intention. Here's a red, plot. 90% of the tape red. So this gives you the market intention. Here's a red, plot. 90% of the tape red. So this gives you the market intention. Here's a red, plot. 90% of the tape red. So this gives you the market intention. Here's a red, plot. 90% of the tape red. So this gives you the market intention. Here's a red, plot. Okay, in the bigger chart we have the magenta. Okay, this can be trap traders long. Okay, so I mean a trap trader short. This can be a reversal. We see little volume down here, little volume, so you don't know exactly what's going to happen. It all depends. This is a big support area. This red line is a continuous print in the same second from all the indices. So this way you can see if the indices are pushing together. These red lines are basket orders. What means basket orders? Because they sell in the many instruments, and as a retail trader, I haven't seen anybody that has done this type of indicators for you to see. So the support was broken. Let's see what these guys do. There we go. Look at the tape, it's very fast. Okay, we got another big support. This support comes from yesterday. No, more days. From many days. It can be a reversal right around the corner. Yeah, we have a buying print here. The tape was 90% buyers here. Let's see if they get absorbed, or it's something that you have to take into account. You gotta be aware if you're in a big trade, 680. You need to be aware of this. Okay, you need to be aware that there were buyers taking profits here. Okay, you cannot be distracted when you're day trading or something like that. You need to be aware of what the market is doing. We had another print to the sell side. Okay, let's see. These guys are trying to turn it around from here, so we can exit the trade.
Target filled.
Yeah. You see, I told you the market was going to try to reverse it here. You had the clue. It's all if you're concentrated in what you're doing, you can do, a good trades. Just wait for the support. You see the trap traders. When you see these three lines here, it's from multiple markets. So it's not just from one market. We have the micro ES, the YM, the micro YM, and of course these three are slaves. So the main instrument true is added. So we have 4 instruments funneling in one print. So this way you can see the market. Told you in advance. You had the support here. This support was from many days back, not from yesterday. Was like 3 or 4 days back. I don't know exactly, haven't looked at it. So this way you can take your profits. So you don't need to see stochastic, you don't need MACDs, you don't need special oscillators, you don't need Fibonacci, you don't need anything like that. You just need really support and resistance. Look at this support here. Resistance. You see the resistance here. Trap traders, the market just took a while to turn around. You just need to take into account, just think about it. Everybody, for example, here is the story complete. You see trap trader short here, we have a volume expansion dot here, and the print from the tape. You see they push it up, support. This was drawn way beyond. This was heading up to the top here. Then you see the market try to push. You see a volume expansion, and we don't see the market trying to go from this side. Didn't broke this resistance. So the market just turns around. You just need to use your logic, okay? If the market goes up here, this is a lot of trap traders here. So the market, if it doesn't go, what would you do if you bought here and the market hasn't gone your position? It's not even making a lateral congestion. It just just went to the downside. Okay, so there you go. There's another resistance here. It draws in real time. You don't need to do anything. Okay, so there you go. You just need to interpret what the market is doing. Okay, so we didn't have a volume expansion to the upside here like we did here. Okay, so that way you just ignore this long because the market is not going long. Okay, so the market is short. So we have volume expansion here, and the market is continuing to go downside. But if you want to overtrade, it's up to you. If you just make one trade a day, but you need to focus on what you're gonna do. So just read what you have on your charts. That's it. Read it, and have an anchor chart over here that is a smaller time frame, and see what's going on. So you learn the price action. Okay, guys. So that's it for today. Have a great day. See you other day.